Hello and welcome to the screencast on other trigonometric functions and identities. We have seen that there are advantages of introducing a new function that is a combination of the sine and cosine functions in order to more simply express certain ratios in triangles. In particular, we know that the tangent function is defined as the quotient of the sine and cosine functions. Similarly, in this section, we will define three other functions that are also ratios involving at least one of the sine or the cosine function: the cotangent function, the secant function, and the cosecant function. These functions offer us the ability to see the same information from different points of view, and these different perspectives are often advantageous. Like the tangent function, the cotangent, secant, and cosecant functions have interesting periodic behavior that involve vertical asymptotes, all tied to the unit circle and the behavior of the sine and cosine function. And similar to how we regularly use the tangent function in right triangles, we will find that the cotangent, secant, and cosecant functions in right triangles offer new ways to represent important information and data. Finally, because the now 6 trigonometric functions are all interrelated by the fact that 4 of them are defined in terms of 2 of them, the sine and cosine functions, we will find that there are equations that will show key connections among these functions that are true regardless of the angle involved. We call such equations identities, and we will learn a bit about why they are true and useful. The most powerful such equation is called the fundamental trigonometric identity and states the sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta equals 1.